Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'd like to show you how to repair and replace an aerator for a Kohler pull-down faucet. And you see it's kind of built in to this wand here. This one's brand new, and see it has a split stream. You see, it's not coming out straight the way I want it to. So this is the package that the faucet came in, and down here in this corner it says Kohler Lifetime Limited Warranty. So what I did is I called Kohler and I told them that the aerator is not working correctly. There's a split stream going on, and I wasn't happy with that. I just bought this brand new. It's a total kitchen remodel here, and they said, well, we don't do that. We don't put new aerators on our units. We'll just send you the whole unit. So here we go. This is what I got in the mail. Just came yesterday. This is a new unit. See, it looks exactly the same. You have to tell them your model, and it'll be on your box. If you don't have the box and you don't know exactly the model, you can take a photo of it, send it to them, and they should be able to recognize what model it is, and then they will order you the right part. But you see, my point is, this is a way of repairing this with a perfectly brand new one for free. When you buy a Kohler or other brands of faucet, you get a limited lifetime warranty, if that's what it says on the package. So, and Kohler's my favorite. And I called up, it was a very friendly lady. Boy, she took care of the problem quickly. This got to me in just a few days. It was just amazing. So let me show you how to change this out, and I'm going to have a new aerator for free. So what you do is pull this down and just unscrew it like this. Okay, so there's your old head right here. We'll put that down, and this is the new head right here. And you just take, and you carefully screw this on, making sure to not cross thread it. Okay, it goes on like that. There's a little magnet in there. And let's see what we have. Oh yeah, that's a real nice stream. That's what I want. Then you click the toggle switch back here, and you have the spray. All right, that's beautiful. That's just what I wanted, and my point is, it's free. If you pay for a limited lifetime warranty for a faucet, especially you've got a good company like Kohler, and Moen will too. They're excellent as well. They'll send you a new one. You know, I mean, you can hassle with taking this apart. Kohler suggests that you don't. They don't want you to, but you can actually put something in here and here and twist it and get it off and try to clean it. And another good way to do this, if you don't want to go the route of getting a free one, take your head off and put it in a little bowl of vinegar and warm water, about 50-50, and just leave it in the vinegar and warm water for several hours, and that should take care of it. Also look on the top here for any debris. I don't see any here, but that's another way to do it. Just soak it in vinegar and warm water. But boy, this is the easiest way to do it. Look at that. That's a beautiful stream. There's a spray. Just what I wanted. Okay, this was a nice quick video. Use your limited lifetime warranty, and use a good company like Kohler, or Moen's been really good to me as well. Okay, thanks. Take care.